we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced names, including French names from history. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So he was of French origin from Brittany, Anjou and Poitou. How do you say his name in France? For reference, it is said as Gilles de Rais. Gilles de Rais. Therefore, in English, it is usually said as Gilles, silent S, de Rais. Gilles de Rais from French, Gilles de Rais. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names from French history in particular, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.